Good morning. I am just driving Louis to the groomer. Don't know if you probably can't see him. There it is. Stinky, messy dog. It's okay, darling. So my brother is still here. It's Tuesday today. My brother is going tomorrow. So we are having a great time, but it's tiring. You know what it's like. So today we're taking our niece to town. She wants to go and do some shopping. I'm not going to the gym, obviously, because I've got my brother here. The weather is absolutely awful. It's 16 degrees in August. As you can see, I'm wearing a jumper. So I don't know what this global warming is. It definitely is not happening here. It's alright, Louis. We go for a little walk first. Oh, he's so stressed out. Can you hear him? Right, let's take this off. This is doesn't smell anymore. From Indigo, you know, the nail company. They sell also body lotions and stuff and little car fragrance. I am not happy, so I've just dropped Louis off and I spoke to his groomer and she's moving. There is sold sign outside her house. She's moving to Nottingham, which means I will have to look for another groomer, or I am just going to watch some YouTube videos by professional clippers and do it myself. It's so annoying, and she's so lovely, and you know, to find a lovely groomer, especially when you know you've got very anxious dog, is so difficult. So yes, I'm not very happy. And she said she doesn't know. She knows of groomers, but she doesn't know them personally to give me advice, you know, who I could go to. And apparently most of the groomers in the area are very busy anyway, so so annoying. Right, I'm gonna go home and feed my brother and niece, and then I will have to come and pick him up.
There's only so many houses, there's only so many.
So Louis is done now. Come here, Louis. I don't know if you can see him. He's got very short ears because his ears were so matted. His ears were so matted because, you know, for such a long time he wasn't there, and when I tried to brush it with like a wire brush, he hates it. He tries to bite me. So she's cut out all those mats out of his ears. Oh, but he's looking all beautiful, clean, smells nice. So I'm going to drop him off home now, and then I'm going to take my brother and my niece and go to town. Good morning, my lovelies. So I'm on my way to get Botox. My brother is still here. He's going home later on today, but I completely forgot because I made my appointment when I was last time there, and last night she sent me a reminder that I've got my Botox appointment today. So, and it's like a half an hour drive. Who needs Botox? Honestly, the world is going to shit, and I'm having Botox done. But I've made this appointment, and if I just said I can't do it, I would be penalized for it. Would still, I suppose, have to pay for not cancelling it. So that's what I'm doing. I suppose I have to keep some sort of normality, because I am not confident think this winter we will go into lockdown again. So I mean, look what's happening in Australia and New Zealand. It's just so. I've had my hair done, had my Botox done, all ready for lockdown. Oh, I really hope that this won't happen. Right, all done. I always think, God, it's like 5 minutes, honestly. 5-minute job, and I have to, and it's like an hour round trip. But what can you do? I mean, she used to work. So she has a little salon next to her house, in her house. But she used to do a couple of days in a clinic near me. But since COVID started, she stopped going there. I don't know what the reason was, but you know, everything went upside down. So she's just doing it from her home. So that's why it's a bit of a drive. But I only do it every 6 months, so it's not too bad. Right, gonna go home, make my brother a brunch, and then I think he will go on his way back home. Hello my lovelies, what a disaster. Not a disaster, I am sweating because we've started to sort out our loft. Honestly, it's like years and years of stuff. I just have thrown away, I'm not joking you, about 20 pillows. I don't know why I have so many pillows. Well, one thing is probably because, you know, I told you before, Paul really is fussy about his pillows. Some were probably for the guests. Then the next time we had guests, I probably couldn't find the pillows because Paul is in charge of the loft. You know, like on Men. Who was it? Who was the comedian? Michael McIntyre. He said that the loft is like man's cave and no one is allowed up there. Women are the passer-uppers. And that is so true. He hates me going in the loft. He thinks I'm gonna make a mess, but honestly, if I organize the loft, I could always find everything. When Paul puts things up the loft, next time he can't find it. So I reckon that's what happened with the pillows. We probably couldn't find it, so then I would buy more. So yes, loads and loads of pillows, some old duvets, all sorts of stuff. And that is not even touching it. That's how much stuff we've got up there. I think I've clocked once a couple of old ironing boards. I mean, why would you keep ironing boards in a loft? And that's Paul, because he also finds it very hard to throw things away. And I think that's a man thing as well. So he's just gone. You know, since COVID, what they did at our dump, you have to book an appointment, and it actually works quite well because you don't have to queue, just go in and empty your car. And I think he has booked, he's got next week off, so he's booked a few more appointments, so we will be clearing out more of the stuff in the loft. Hate it, but it feels so good after you've done it. Now this weekend I have, on Saturday, I have Paul's family, oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Paul's family coming for barbecue. So we organized it, I think about 2 weeks ago, and we looked at the, you know, long-term weather prediction, and it looked really lovely. And then throughout last week and this week we've been checking the weather, because it changes every day. Every day you look at it, it's different. So 2 days ago it looked beautiful, sunny. Today it says Saturday is gonna rain. So I don't know what to do. We've bought everything for the barbecue, so I don't want to waste it. But if it's gonna rain, we can't sit outside, so I feel like I have to prepare the outside and inside. I don't know, when worst comes to worst, we'll eat inside. We have a gazebo, so we might put up gazebo. So Paul can even cook in the rain under the gazebo. Honestly, you can't plan anything in this country when it comes to weather. So I am not happy about that, because I had everything planned to make it all nice outside, and now we don't know. So we will see what it looks like. It could still change, but when is Saturday? Oh, it's tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to change by tomorrow. Maybe by some miracle. Right, I better carry on with tidying up and organizing. And I'll let you know what happens tomorrow. Hello, my lovelies. So my barbecue went okay. It didn't rain all day, but because the app said it was going to rain, we had it inside. Paul was cooking outside under the gazebo, but we ate inside. But then we spent the rest of the evening sitting outside. You can never tell the weather. But yeah, we had a lovely time. Look, I'm wearing my green dress. Remember this? Oh God, that looks terrible. My green dress from Mint Velvet. Actually, this dress is, I think, still available, and the pink linen one, and they are on sale now, which is so annoying. It's like, I think 40% off. So if you were thinking of getting that, have a look. So now I'm going to get changed back into my leggings and a t-shirt, and I'm going to go down and clear up, because they Paul's family just left and there is mess everywhere. So I'm going to go and clean up. I've got my electric poppy on, and on my eyes I have the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte Darling. Did I do it? Yeah, last Monday I've shown you this makeup that I do. It's like my go-to summer makeup. Right, so I better go and clear up now. Good morning. So I've just had a shower, waxed, and now I'm drying my hair. I feel exhausted. I feel like the whole week has been very exhausting. So, you know, I had guests since last week to the middle of this week, and then I had Paul's family around yesterday. I just feel like I've been just cleaning and cooking. I wanted to say and apologize that for the last 3 weeks, I suppose, I've only been posting my Monday vlogs. I haven't really done anything makeup related, but that's because I have been a bit busy, and I actually don't know if I will be able to get out video this week for you, because Paul has a week off. He's taking a week off, so we are doing stuff. Tomorrow we are going to the beach. So what we did, you have to book a car park space to be able to go there. Well, you obviously can walk on the beach, but if you're going in a car, you have to book car park. And what we wanted to do as well, don't know if you remember, years ago we hired a beach hut, and we were going to do that. I think I might have already told you this, but it was like £100 for this beach hut that didn't even have a kettle or anything. But that's not the biggest problem. The biggest problem is that in the summer dogs are not allowed on every beach, and obviously the beach with beach huts is the one that dogs can't go on. So it would be pointless us having this beach hut, because we wouldn't be able to be on that particular beach. So we didn't book it. We will just go and spend some time on a dog beach and I don't know, maybe go for something to eat. I don't know, just being in nature, you know. And I absolutely love seaside. I like any body of water, to be honest. I would love to live in a house that is like right on a beach or by some sort of river or a lake. That's my dream. But I will do some videos soon because, so you know the Catrice foundation that I reviewed and I really like it. I know some of you had it and you love it. Some of you bought it after I talked about it and you love it. So I thought I will try some other products from Catrice. But I am still waiting for some. I've bought them like from different websites because you couldn't get everything on one website. And I don't know why this stuff is still not here. And I can't find the confirmation email or nothing. Sometimes I think, did I actually order the stuff? Or I just put it in a basket and then gone on to look at something else and never actually bought it. So I need to investigate myself. But I have little palette from them. I have a couple of, oh, where's the other one? I used it this morning. Oh, here. I have a couple of bronzers, I have blush, I have powder. This is really interesting. This is Sunshine on My Shoulders Body Shimmering Dry Oil. I've got mascara. So I might do like a full face of drugstore makeup if the other stuff doesn't come, because I'm waiting, I think, for there was another foundation that you told me about, this HD foundation. So I think I've ordered that, and I also ordered some concealers. So I think I'm waiting for that. But if I didn't order it and it doesn't come, I just use some other drugstore stuff with it. But also, and I've been waiting for this for a while, I knew it was out in the US but not here, is the Urban Decay Naked 3 Mini. So I think out of all the Naked palettes, the 3 was my favorite because it was that sort of mauvey coolish tone. But I never used like all of them, and I'm loving the small palettes. So I got an email from Urban Decay, because I've subscribed to their newsletter, that it is here, and it's really cute and dinky, and I love the colors. Very cool. So that would be my winter palette. And I also ordered, I think this is new from Urban Decay, you know, they do all these all-nighter sprays. Well, I think they've just come out with the all-nighter loose powder. So I got that as well. It is translucent, so I will do a video on that as well. So just bear with me. I always feel very guilty, and it's with me all the time. Oh, I haven't done a video, I haven't done a video. And even like with the vlogging, you know, sometimes when I go somewhere, I don't feel like filming it. I just want to be present in a moment and enjoy it, but at the same time I want to share it with you, so it's difficult. I'm trying to let my hair dry like 80% naturally, so I don't use heat for as long on it, because yes, I have to be careful with my hair. It's a bit fragile. Botox is not kicking in yet. Oh, it's kicking in here. This always goes first, but between my eyes it isn't yet. But it's been only 3 days, so it starts kicking in after about 5-6 days. Okay, so nothing else is going to happen interesting this week, because it's Sunday today and this video needs to come out tomorrow. So I will say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and stay fabulous, of course, always. Bye.